when you rehab a house, you could probably go a million different ways with it. But do you have some advice on people that are looking to do this so that way they don't get in that trap that you just mentioned?
Yep, everything's copycat. No matter where you're at, you always copy the best cat, right? So a lot of people have a mindset of competition. When real estate, if you're in real estate, whether you're an agent or an investor, and you're competing with other people, get out of the business, right? Because you're just wasting your time. The experience or something that somebody else is doing. If I'm starting to be a real estate investor and I see this person over here that's rehabbing 20, 30 houses a year, I want to talk to him or duplicate what they're doing and just copycat what they're doing. There's no competition. It's what works. What sells in every market is dictated by the market. We took that from other people in the area that were doing those kind of things already and just started duplicating it. So it doesn't matter whether you're in a little town like Toledo, Ohio, St. Petersburg, Florida, California. The best way to find the finishes and the systems that you want to do your rehabs with is find somebody that's already doing the business at a high level and just duplicate it.